Sorry guys, come back again. The video got completed because 10 minutes or so. So I was checking the this thing after changing the password of enabled login. Yeah. So what it does is like in when we change the security, right? Security to medium, it's we are not able to change the password from the URL. So and let's try one more thing. So I'm trying to change the password 12123 test 123 and change the password here and take this request and here I'm saying to change it to 1234. Let's see some other. Nothing happens. Let's log out and check. So admin, I change it to test 1234. Another window. No, where is this? So basically it's not taking that. Test 1 2 test 1 2. Yeah. So here difficulties set to medium. Okay. Password. Let's see, changing again, and this time see what here it says. This thing says the source. Let's see. Okay, so test 1 2. Let's see, test 1 2 3. Change the password here. Change the password to 1 2 3. The request. The source. Yep, we are checking if there is any token.